Hello students, we'll continue with chapter 16, that is management of natural resources. Today we'll be talking about how the traditional use help for forest maintenance and the people participation क्या है for the conservation and management of forest. Now in Great Himalayan part, this Great Himalayan part it contains alpine meadows. Alpine meadows क्या होते हैं? जहाँ पे कि grass होता है and this grass is surrounded by the flowers. These alpine meadows जो हैं initially it was grazed by the sheep in summer. Summer में जो ये alpine meadows में sheep जो थी they used to graze the grass. वहाँ पे nomadic shepherds जो थे, nomadic shepherds means जो shepherds अपनी गाय वगैरह या बकरी को घास खिलाने के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाते हैं. सो द न्यूमेटिक शैडोज दे यूज टू ड्रोव देयर फ्लॉक्स अप टू दैट वैली एवरी समर. After this Himalayan part that was declared as a national park, when the government declare any area as a national park, इसमें grazing या people की participation जो है, people की interference जो है, that got stopped. So when the government declared Himalayan as national park, that part of a Himalayan as national park, the grazing was not there. So as a result, जो grass था, it grew very tall, and after it fall on the ground, no fresh growth occurred, and after some time, that particular part, it becomes barren land. So initially, the traditional use by the nomadic shepherds, it used to conserve the forest. That is how the traditional use it helped in the forest management earlier before the government declared Himalayan part as a national park. Now a very good example of how the people they participate in conservation and the management of forest is a Bisnoi community. This Bisnoi community it lives in western Rajasthan, and on that desert border mein the people who are living there, they want to conserve the forest because they think that conservation of the forest is their religious tenet, and they believe that all the things which we get from the forest, उन पे हर किसी का right है, okay, and everybody should get their share from those resources. They conserve the flora and the fauna and believe in the environmental protection more than their life. वो कहते हैं कि चाहे हमारी life चली जाए, but we must conserve the forest. So in 1731, Amrita Devi Bisnoi, she sacrificed her life along with 363 other people to protect the Kejri tree in the Kejrali village, and this village is situated in Rajasthan near Jodhpur. So in 1731 में Amrita Devi, okay, she sacrificed her life along with 363 other people. And remembering this Amrita Devi, Government of India, they have declared an Amrita Devi Bisnoi Award for the wildlife conservation. Second example of people participation for the conservation of the forest is Chipko Andolan. Chipko Andolan, like Hug the Tree movement. This Chipko Andolan is also known as Hug the Tree movement. Now in early 1970, the people living in Reni, Garhwal, they launched a movement which is known as the Chipko Andolan. Why this Andolan, Chipko Andolan, it was launched because there was a dispute between the local people which live in the village and the contractor. This contractor, men of contractor, they wanted to cut the tall trees of that particular village. Once when the men flock of that village was not there, the contractor workers, they came on that special day and tried to cut the trees. Now, when they reached to the village, a village woman, she immediately reached there. She hugged the tree. She clasped the tree, she hugged the tree and told the contractor workers that first you have to cut me and then you can cut the trees. So she prevented the workers from cutting the trees. Now this Chipko movement, it spread across the communities and the media very fast. Because of media, ये जो चिपको मूवमेंट थी वो पूरे इंडिया में स्प्रेड हो गई, and the government has to rethink about the priority of the use of forest product. Okay, government को सोचना पड़ा कि how we can protect the trees, that is sustainable management. We can use the product of the trees, at the same time we have to protect the trees. Now another example of the local participation for the forest conservation or the forest management is in 1972 the West Bengal Forest Department, West Bengal ka forest department, government forest department, they realized that they failed to protect the sal forest present into the West Bengal. Okay, then the forest officer A.K. Banerjee, he allowed the villagers to protect 1,272 hectares of the damaged sal forest in the Arabori forest range in Midnapore district. Now in that case, he told the people to work in that particular forest, and the villagers, they were given the work there in the forest, and harvesting, जब वहाँ पे जितने trees की harvesting हुई, around 25% of that harvest, that was given to the village people along with certain other benefits, okay, as a return benefit. So these are the three examples. Because of this, the sal forest in the Arabori, they showed remarkable recovery in 1983. So these are the three incidents where the people participation to protect the forest environment or to protect the forest, to conserve the forest, that is there. In the next video, we'll be talking about aajkal, at present, how we can conserve the forest, what do we get from the forest, why there is necessity to protect the forest, and we'll be talking about another natural resource which is non-renewable natural resource, that is coal and petroleum. Till that, stay safe,